Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your Frameo digital frame in 2026. So first of all, you need to plug in your frame. Afterwards, you just have to simply turn it on. Now, when you turn it on, you just have to follow some simple instructions that will be given on your frame in order to basically set it up. In it, you need to first of all connect it to Wi-Fi. For that, inside the settings, go to the Wi-Fi section. Inside it, you just have to basically look for that particular Wi-Fi which you want to connect your Frameo with. After that, if there is a password available, simply enter the password and it is going to be connected with your Wi-Fi. So once this step is done, you just have to install the Frameo application on your phone. Now here on your Frameo digital frame, simply tap on the option of add friend icon. On your phone as well, simply tap on the option of add friend icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Afterwards, when you tap on this particular icon, you are going to see this type of code which will be generated for you. So you need to copy this code from here. Then you need to basically add this particular code inside your mobile application in order to connect your Frameo digital frame with your phone. So once this particular step is done, you can just simply open the application, select the photos from the gallery and tap on the option of send, and this way your photos will appear on your frame instantly. You can swipe left or right in order to change the photos. You can tap on the screen in order to open these types of options in front of you. With the help of it, you can directly go to the settings. You can just simply shut down your digital frame. You can take a look at the hidden photos. You can delete any of the photos that you want. You can even adjust it and you can even add to album. So with the help of this menu button, you can do a lot of things. So that's how you can basically set up and start using your Frameo digital frame in no time. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.